Yo, what is going on, guys? We are back today with another sneaker video. We have a first look today at a pair of sneakers that does not release here in the United States until June. They did release apparently overseas last week in February, months apart. I'm not sure what happened, but this sneaker did get pushed back here in the United States. We have a first look today of this early pair of sneakers. I got these overseas from Slam Jam. Slam Jam is a retailer overseas. Sneaker Twitter, definitely for the win on this one. Was up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and, well, I saw the tweet go out. I had to cop. So I pulled the trigger. These retailed at $200. I paid retail plus shipping, so it came out to $215. Retail's $200. I believe the release is June 22nd, I want to say. They did get pushed back for some reason. I'm not sure. But I'm interested to see what pair of sneakers we have. This is a Jordan 1, as you guys can see from the box, that I am excited to take a look at. I ripped this box apart, but that's okay. I destroyed the box. Here we have the receipt. Yes, here it is. It doesn't say what I paid, but here it is. Jordan 1 high, of course. And right here we have the size tag. This is a size 8.5. You guys know I'm not an 8.5. This was all that was left available for on the website when I was able to buy them. So I just pulled the trigger. I said, why not? And bought them. So this is a little different. This box, it's a regular Jordan 1 box. However, for this model, this is unique and different. Let's read off this label. We have Air Jordan 1 High 85. We have an 85 high in a regular Jordan 1 box. That is different. White team red and white. Okay, let's get into the box. Let's get into the shoes. Let's see what we got. Right here we have the lid. So they do have a stamp on the lid. You will have a stamp. The tissue paper right here in all white. And they do come individually wrapped as expected, like all 85 highs do. I'm just thrown off by the box because this box is not what we usually get. But here they are. The Air Jordan 1 85 high Metallic Burgundy. This is the first time this Jordan 1 high OG, yes, this is an OG. This is the first time that they are retroed ever. This is the first time, and they brought them back in an 85 high cut. You guys know the 85 high cut is different than your normal Air Jordan 1. They gave us the new shape. This is closer to the 85, but the leather quality is stiffer, which I know a lot of people are not a fan of. However, the all-white leather here, it's thick. It's thicker leather. That's why it's so, not so soft. It's pretty rough to the touch, but it's thicker leather, and it's supposed to be higher quality leather. Now, is that true? Who knows? But the burgundy here, the metallic burgundy colors, the hit is so nice. It's like a darker shade of red, and I really do like it. Burgundy, burgundy, burgundy into full effect on these right here. You do have the sock liner in that burgundy as well. Your Nike Air on the tongue in that beautiful burgundy as well. You do get white laces on these as already, and you do get some extra laces as well in the burgundy bag. Burgundy, full effect on the outsole as well. These are clean. They are clean. They are clean. They're very wearable. To me, this is one of the better metallic Air Jordan 1s. I'm not a huge fan of the metallic Jordan 1s. I feel like they're all plain, boring, all white uppers with just one simple color. It's easy to wear, easy to match, but I do think the metallic burgundy is one of the better ones. I like these better than the navies, that's for sure. I like these better than the metallic navy. So these are clean. They do release in June. For some reason, they did get pushed back. They did release overseas, I believe, last week in February, which is wild that they got pushed back so far here in the United States. But it is what it is. Retail, $200. I don't expect these really to sell out that quickly. Resell already is retail or under. You can get them possibly for even under if you wait it out. So I do expect them to honestly sit at this point. I know, Jordan 1s, the hype, everything has died. It's truly down. But if that's a good thing, if you guys want to pick up this clean, wearable, 85 cut Air Jordan 1, you guys can do so for retail, maybe even less. They do come as well with this tag on them, which is cool. That was inside the shoe. I just realized that that's awesome as well. So this tag here, they're bringing it back OG. They're bringing it back to the 1985 days with this retro, and I think that's awesome. I think it's dope. I'm here for it. I'm excited that they brought these back. It's the first time ever since 1985 we have the Metallic Burgundy back. I do wish, though, that they would have brought back the Metallic Burgundy as a regular Jordan 1 High OG, not the 85. I don't know why. I just wish they did. I do like the 85 cut. I just prefer the regular cut on the Jordan 1 still. I don't know what it is. I can't get around to the 85s. I've never worn a pair of 85 highs. I still can't get around to it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the colorways. They haven't dropped anything crazy. There's no Shadows, Breads, Royals, Chicagos. I need one of those for me to get me into the 85. I think that's what it is. But I do overall think they're a clean, wearable shoe. And it's about time we have the 85 cut back. We do get the 85 cuts. I want to say once or twice a year. They're not giving us so many 85 Jordan 1s, which is nice to see. They're keeping them more limited, I'll say that, when it comes to the release of the 85. Inside, this is where you'll get those numbers, as well as the size. So that's really cool as well. White insole with a Metallic Burgundy Nike Air. Burgundy, 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 full effect on these Jordan 1s. They're clean, and it's the first time that they're back in how many years? A long time, guys. It's been a very long time for this sneaker to make a return. Wow. So many years later. I didn't think I would actually ever get a Jordan 1 85 Metallic Burgundy in hand. I never thought I'd get the Metallic Burgundies in hand, and well, I do, because I never thought they would retro it, but they finally did. There are some other OG Jordan 1s that Jordan Brand does need to retro. They're not done. There's a few more. We are missing a few more, so hopefully they'll retro those. They are mostly part of the pack as well, so I believe we're missing the green. So we are missing, I think, one or two more, so we should get those retroed hopefully soon as well. This is a good start to show us that, yes, we're going to get these older retros, things that have never retroed before. They could retro again. This is just another sign from Nike and Jordan Brand showing us, hey, anything can retro. Nike will do what they want. Let me know what you guys think about the 85 Air Jordan 1 High Metallic Burgundies down below in the comments. If you guys are copping a pair, please comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys are not copping, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's going to cop and who's not. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. We're dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.